All right, guys, so here is part two of creating your own URL and having it linked to your Color Street site. So what we're going to do is go on here to um, the GoDaddy.com, again, same way where we purchased the URL. And what you're going to do is you go up to the top right here, and it's going to have, it should say login, I think. Right now it says my name because I'm already logged in here. But you'll click on that, login, put your login information that you use to purchase your URL, and then it's going to pop up with this link, this site here. This page is going to show your customer number and your PIN number. You can view that. That's used if you have any issues with GoDaddy and you need some help directly from them. They'll ask you for that PIN number. So right now you don't need it at all. Right now you're going to want to go to My Products right here under your name. And my site will look a little bit different because I've got some other products on here, but basically products is a list of your domains, the domains you own, your URL, your website names, whatever you want to call it. So the one that we use, the main one, is the busymommanny.com. So I'm going to come here, go down to this one right here, and you're going to go directly over from that and click on DNS, which is domain name servers. And when you open that up, it will show you a bunch of things that will look like Chinese, and you don't need to worry about any of this stuff right now. All you're going to do is go down here to the bottom where it says forwarding. You can see we already have ours forward to our Color Street site. You're going to click the pencil here. I think if you don't have anything on there, it's going to just say add right next to domain. It'll say domain, and then you'll have an add link right here, just like this one does down here. So click add, and then this is what's going to come up. Since we already have one, we're just editing it. Hold on to this right here, and then you're going to go over to your Color Street, log into your Color Street account. So see my style is Cambria Ryan. Log in, type in your username and password for your login, and then you're going to go up here. We already had an account setting, so here should be. There we go. This is what it should look like when you first log in. Sorry. So log into your Color Street. You guys should kind of know what your virtual office looks like. But if you don't, you go over here to parties, create new party. If you've never created a party, I'm guessing most of you have, but if you haven't, it's easy. Just type in your title here. Then click I'm hosting the party, and then click virtual party, so no physical location. Once you do that, click create new party, and it's going to pop up to a page that shows you your link. It's going to look like this. Copy this right here. This is your party website. So you want your URL, which is for us, thebusymommanny.com, to point to this, which is https:// all that. So you want this, so you're going to copy this link right here, and you're going to go back to your GoDaddy. And then all you're going to do is copy, paste that link right here into this window. And then once you do that, you're going to go back to the front, and you're going to delete. Here, I'll paste this one in here. You're going to go back to the front of that link that you pasted in there, and basically delete everything that's in front of the www. So because it's already on your right here, it's http:// you're going to delete all of this so that the first thing you see on there is www. If you want to make sure that it's correct, just click this preview button, and it will basically show you what that link's going to, and then you can close that window again. So as long as you got that in there correct, you're just going to click save right here. And as it says up here, features may not be available while we process. So sometimes it takes a few minutes for that to go through. So the idea is then once you've saved that in there, you'll be able to just go to, for us, it's thebusymommanny.com. And so ours is going to look a little different because there is a website built on ours that's a little bit different. Basically, you should be able to type that in, and it'll take you right to your party like this. So of course, this one says the nail bars no longer open because I used a sample one here just to kind of give you an idea of how that works. So if you have any questions, you can let Cami or myself know, and we'll help you out with that. Hope this was helpful.